Morning students, today is 12th August 2020. I am going to take an English class for you. Topic: All the World's a Stage. This poem is written by William Shakespeare. Today we will see the appreciation part of this poem. See the first question on your screen. All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. All the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. See the questions. What does the poet consider the whole world? What does the poet consider the whole world? The poet considers the whole world a stage. See the first line is given that all the world's a stage. So what does the poet consider the whole world? The poet considers the whole world a stage. Next question. Why does the poet compare the world to a stage? Why does the poet compare the world to a stage? The poet compares the world to a stage because he thought all men and women behave like the actors of the drama. See here? First line, all the world's a stage, and all the men and women merely players. So he considered as a stage because he thought all men and women behave like the actors and actresses of a drama. Now see the next question. Who are the players in the drama of life? Who are the players in the drama of life? All the men and women are the players. What does the word players refer to? The word player refers to actors. The word player refers to actors. See the next line. They have their exits and their entrances, and one man in his time plays many parts. What do the players have? What do the players have? The players have their exits and entrances in the world. Exit means here refers to death. Entrances means here it refers to birth. So, what do the players have? The players exit and entrance in the world. They enter and then exit. See, we also entered in this world. We have been born, and after few years we will leave this world. That is exit. So what do the players have? We are also a player. We are also an actor, actresses. The players have their exits and entrances in the world. Next question. What do they refer to? See the first line. They have their exits and their entrances. They. What do they refer to? They refers to men and women. See the next question. What does parts refer to here? Here, parts refer means characters in a drama. Parts refers to characters in a drama. See the next question. Next poetic lines. His acts being 7 ages, at first the infant mewling and puking in the nurse's arms. His acts being 7 ages, at first the infant mewling and puking in the nurse's arms. How many stages are in the lifetime? Here the poet has divided human life into 7 ages, 7 parts, 7 stages. How many stages are there in the lifetime? There are 7 stages in the lifetime. Who is known as a nurse? Who is known as a nurse? Mother is known as a nurse. See here, his acts being 7 ages. At first, the infant, first time when you were born in this world, who looked after you? Who took care of you? Your mother. She is a nurse. So, mother is known as a nurse. Now see the fourth question. Then the winning schoolboy with his satchel and shining morning face, creeping like snail. This is the second stage. First is infant, second is schoolboy. Does the boy go to the school willingly? No, the boy doesn't go to the school willingly. See here, first time when you went to school, did you go happily to school? No. You cried a lot. You didn't like to go to school because for 3.5 years, you were with your mother. But suddenly, you are taken to school. You dislike it. So here the question, does the boy go to the school willingly? No, the boy doesn't go to the school willingly. Who is compared to the snail? Who is compared to the snail? The schoolboy going to school is compared to the snail. The school going boy, you can say, is compared to the snail. The boy who is going to the school is compared to the snail. Now see the next question. What does the boy carry to school? What does the boy carry to school? The boy carries his shoulder bag on his back. See here, first time when you go to school, when you went to school, what did you carry? You carried a small bag on your shoulder. What was inside it? A slate. A slate. Not books, notebooks, nothing. See here, what does the boy carry to school? The boy carries his shoulder bag on his back. Thank you, students.